Hi there. Today we will walk you through the tag management. You can quickly classify your products via tags. Here listed all tags that have been set already. Now, create a new tag. In general, a tag has two types: single or multiple. If you choose single for your tag, it means that the category with this tag only belongs to one product type. Multiple means that your category belongs to several product types. Now, save. Go to the Enterprise Library. Click One Product. Choose the tag. Then, go to the For Planner. Filter your products by tags. That's all for today. See you next time.